For a small fish tank with water capacity below 100 liters, if don't want to use the top filter to avoid light blockage, or don't want to use pipe bedding with sand filtration, you may choose the canister filter, which includes both physical and biological filtration. Canister filter is a sealed design container, required to place below the fish tank. Water pressure pushes water down into the filter. Then, the pump of the canister filter pumps water back into the fish tank. Water direction indicators are printed on the hose connectors of the canister pump. The connectors should have stop valves to stop water flow during cleaning the filter. Different manufacturers have different designs of filtering materials compartments in the filter. No matter what the compartment's designs are, water passes through the compartments, one by one completely. Since the water entrance, the first compartment is for physical filtration. A working canister filter is fully filled with water. The popular white filtering cotton, it is soft and closely woven. It will be stuffed up quite fast, decreasing the water flow speed and the biological filtration efficiency as well. But if without any filtering cotton, the tiny holes of bow rings will be stuffed up by suspending metals in water, also decrease the biological filtration efficiency. The compromised method is using the plastic-made cotton with countless small beehive-like hoses, a little bit hard but elastic. Using this plastic-made cotton to filter large suspending metals out from water. At the same time, nitrifying bacteria may live in the small hoses of the cotton. It provides biological filtration as well. Hence, some aquarium industry people name it as bio-cotton. The second and floating compartments are placed with bow rings for biological filtration. Ordinary bow rings are made of ceramics, having rough surface only. It increases some surface area barely. Nitrification result is not very good. Such bow rings are only suitable for feeding few creatures or tough fishes, which is intolerable of NO2. Good quality bow rings have countless tiny holes on surface and inside. Hence, the weight is very light. To compare qualities among different bow rings, you may put a dry bow ring on a paper, then use a dropper. Chips water on the ring, drop by drop. Much water it absorbed, better quality it is. Price of very high quality bow rings are 2 or more times of good quality bow rings price. For any reason, if there is limited space for bow rings placement in the filter, it is worth to use very high quality bow rings. When buying the canister filter, you may choose a little bit more powerful model. A canister filter must be placed below the fish tank, far more away of the filter from the tank. More power consumption on pumping water up to the tank. For example, a 19.6-liter water capacity fish tank may install a model with pumping weight equaling 3 to 5 times of tank water capacity, 300 to 500 liters per hour. If the water flow speed is too fast eventually, close the outgoing valve to decrease the flow speed. Unless the filter is very far away from the tank. Do not choose rate with 5 times of tank water capacity, or the cleaned tank water goes in bow rings too frequently. It wastes the filter's power. If one to overclose the valve to block the water flow, the bounce back water may damage the pump's axle parts. If use a low power model to just fit the tank usage, better to use better quality of bow rings. Then, when putting more creatures into the tank, it will be able to nitrify more ammonia and nitriles. Generally, a canister filter had been operating for 1 month. The bow cotton stuffed much dirty things, decreasing the water flow speed. Therefore, every time changing the fish tank water, you may clean the canister filter as well. The cleaning procedure is quite simple. First of all, plug off the power supply of the filter, then close the stop valves of all hose connectors. Separate the soft water tubes from the filter. Then, you can take the filter to a suitable place to do the cleaning work. Take out the bow ring compartments. Wash it with tap water. The cotton can be used repeatedly. Don't worry about the death of any nitrifying bacteria in it. It is far more important for water to go through the bow cotton unimpededly to reach next compartment. Bow rings compartment is the main resident area of nitrifying bacteria. Shake it up and down in the fish tank water left in the canister filter. Purging up any sediment on the bow rings. Then, take out the bow rings compartment. Pour the dirty water out from the filter. Remove the bow rings from water for a while. Didn't make any nitrifying bacteria die, unless the time is too long so the rings lost all water. Bow rings went dry and bacteria died. I had mentioned the bow cotton in the canister filter can filter out large suspending matters only. For smaller suspending matters in water, aquarium shops often suggest to use activated carbon. But during the starting phase of feeding fish, do not use activated carbon because it makes water too much clean and pure. It is a disadvantage to make synthetic seawater becoming ocean-like properties. In future, I will mention the right time to use activated carbon. In next episode, I will introduce another aquarium equipment to help filtering out small suspending matters.